Hey, what's up? We continue to look for interesting smartphones, and today we found Elephone Soldier. The phone received this name because of a rugged body and interesting design. Also, it has 2K display, 5000 mAh battery, NFC and many other features. You shouldn't worry about the price, because it is only $190. So if you are interested in this phone, then watch our first review. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. Elephone Soldier looks very manfully. It is designed especially for military, police or just active people. The back panel is made of plastic, so it will be not damaged after it drops on hard surface. Also, there is metal panel for camera, flashlight and SOS button. Here you can see many screws, but I didn't know why they need it. At the bottom there is physical compass. The slot for SIM card is on the left side. On the right side you can find power button, volume rocker and fingerprint reader. Elephone Soldier has micro USB port at the bottom. Next to it, you can see 3.5mm audio jack. On top, there is another flashlight. The display has 5.5-inch diagonal and 16:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is 2K 2560 by 1440 pixels. Yeah, it sounds really impressive, but I'm not sure that you need 2K display on rugged phone. It will consume a lot of battery. So Elephone Soldier has a very interesting design. Of course, it has IP68 protection against water and dust. Have you ever seen smartphone with real compass on the back panel? I haven't. If we talk about hardware, Elephone Soldier provides a good performance. New smartphone is powered by Deco-Core chipset Helio X25 with clock speed of 2.5 GHz and 4 GB of RAM. Also, there is 64 or 128 GB of storage. You can use microSD memory cards to expand internal memory. Elephone Soldier scores about 83,000 points in Antutu, which is a very good result for budget rugged phone. You can play latest Android games, but it is better to choose medium graphic settings. New Elephone device supports dual SIM card, NFC and GPS. The smartphone runs on Android 8.0 Oreo. It provides some very useful apps, for example, Outdoor Tool. Here you can see compass, flashlight, speedometer and other useful functions. Elephone Soldier is equipped with single rear and front cameras. On the front there is 16-megapixel sensor, while the main camera has 21-megapixel sensor from Samsung. I haven't seen real sample photos yet, but camera app doesn't differ from other MediaTek phones. The battery is another highlight of this phone. It has 5000 mAh capacity, so the battery life should be very good. From other side, there is micro USB port, so the full battery charge will take a lot of time. Now the most interesting part. What do you think? How much is this phone? To be honest, I thought it cost about $300 or maybe $250. In fact, it is only $190. Yeah, I was very surprised by its price. It is very good price for high-quality rugged phone with interesting design features such as flashlight, SOS button, side fingerprint reader and even compass. Also, it provides good performance, decent cameras and big battery. 2K display sounds very impressive, but I'm not sure that you need it on rugged phone. What do you think about Elephone Soldier? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.